Hey, it's Michael Saul, also known as Tiny, with the market video for the week of March 10th, 2014. So even Russia could not stop the bulls from moving higher. We had the gap down on Monday, and then we had the gap up on Tuesday, got it all back, and then we just grinded higher the rest of the week. Friday wasn't a great day. Thursday was a doji, Wednesday was a doji, but Friday, we opened up and then kind of sold off. It was like what they call probably a sell short day or something in the Taylor trading technique. I don't know, but the market is very strong here. We have a lot of things backing up the move higher, including the moving averages. Nice hard slope, nice space between them, proper order, blah 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 blah. I do believe that we are vulnerable to a correction here, or I should say vulnerable to a pullback here, but I do not believe the quote-unquote music will stop and we will get a deep correction until the Dow hits all-time highs. The Dow is the only one lagging the group. Either the Russell's there already or has been there, mid-caps have been there, and the Qs aren't at all-time highs, but they're at decade-plus highs. And the S&P is already there. So I think the Dow is going to make all-time highs at a minimum. Just because it makes the all-time highs, that in and of itself is not a sell signal. It's just that I think the Dow is going to make it there before we get a decent-sized correction. That doesn't mean we can't get a pullback before then. And as a matter of fact, like I just said, we look vulnerable here to a pullback. Okay, we're stretched. We barely, I don't think we've closed under the short-term moving average since all the way back, not even there. We're stretched here. We're overbought. It's not enough to short on, especially with the, in a bull market. In a downtrend, it's, picking bottoms is a little bit easier. I'm not saying it's easy. It's just a little bit easier than trying to pick tops on an uptrend, because this just grinding manner with just a little sprinkle of volatility here or there. Especially here, once again, the bears are jumping in. That's it, Russia's it. We're going to just sell off here. And nope, they're just trapped again. And it's like a slow bleed here. It's like, they're hanging the bears upside down and bleeding them out slow. And it becomes very aggravating for them, because the sellers, that is, because they get a glimmer of hope and then it's just gone. So this kind of grinding action, usually what will end a move to the upside will be a climax type move. Okay, getting everybody piling in, getting a push up, with some volume and some volatility. It doesn't have to happen that way, but we haven't seen a blow off type move to the upside. The bears are still trying to come in here. We haven't seen that really hard. I guess Tuesday was that hard short covering, but we really need to see that hard short covering where they stick the knife in the bear's neck here and just end it, and then that could lead to a climax and a reversal type move. I know I'm being a little graphic here, so I apologize, but yeah, that's the way that the market is looking for me here. That we're vulnerable to a pullback, but I don't think we're going to get a correction type move until the Dow hits its all-time high and joins its sisters. For this week, I'm still going to be watching pullbacks for buying opportunities. That's still working in this market, and there is no reason to fight the trend. 3 announcements. I have a new book that is set to be published within the next, I would say, 2 weeks. I'm giving a hard deadline to April 1st, but I'm trying to get it out before then. And it is about how to profit in cannabis stocks, okay, the new medical marijuana stuff. And there's really, in my opinion, this is a really nice niche, a really nice group, a really nice sector, whatever you want to call it. And I think there's a lot of opportunity here. So that book is coming out. It's going to be a Kindle book, and it's going to be extremely inexpensive, like $3 or something like that. So I will let you know more. I have the website, working on the website now for that. Number 2, we have the newsletter is still free. I took a week off last week because I'm recovering from my little hospital stay, but we still have the newsletter available, and I will link you to that in the message box, and also the Sunday night strategy sessions with Paul Schatz and I. We do them every Sunday, 8 p.m. Eastern. They are free to attend. I will also put the link in the box, in the whatever it is, the description box, where you can link to that and sign up. And it is 100% free, like I said. So come in, buy, ask your questions, and listen to us talk about the market. We go more in depth than just this video where I cover the major indexes. All right? So that's it. I look forward to talking to you on Sunday night and in next week's video. Any questions, you can always drop me a line. I will talk to you soon. Take care.